this one. The video is the USB drives. This one, any USB pen drive or external hard drive type. This device need to the block in your PC or unblock. This video is this one. Okay, when the need the block and unblock, there are two policies. So we are go to the GP edit, GPEDIT dot MSC. Go to GP edit MSC. Now you see the GP edit. Now go to administrators, then system, find the removal storage access, then big issue. There have a all removal storage access deny. Now we just double click this one and not configure. Then sorry, there have a last time here. Now not configure. Then okay. This GPD's work is group policy. Work is done. Now we just close. Now this transient. This is my external hard drive. Now it's working. Also we need to the block. Again go the GP edit dot MSC. Go as same policy. Same policy, you can use this the block. System, searching the removal storage access, clicks and removal or restore no configure is click, then enable. This time this is the block. This is also policy. Also have one policy, register edit. You see how to this one. Computer, local machine, system, controls, current control set, service, user storage. Then there have this option, read writes. You just click in here. Defaultly have 3. You just change the 5. This time this device is not showing. This external device is not showing when I give the 5. When I give the 3, this time is workable. So now need to the working, so I give the 3. Then okay. Thank you.